lineman for the county, and I drive the main road, searching in the sun for another overload. I hear you singing in the wire, I can hear you through the wine, and the Wichita Lineman still on the line. I sure could use a small vacation, but it don't look like rain. If it snows that stretch down south, I won't ever take the strain, and I need you more than want you. And I want you for all time, and the Wichita Lineman still on the line. Sure, I need a small vacation, but it don't look like rain. If it snows that stretch down south, I won't ever take the strain, and I need you more than want you. And I want you for all time, and the Wichita Line is still on the line. Sure could use a small vacation, but it don't look like rain. snows that stretch down south won't ever take the strain, and I need you more than want you. And I want you for all time. And the Wichita Lineman is still on the line. But it sure looks like rain. I am a lineman for the county, and I drive the main road, searching in the sun for another overload. I hear you singing in the wire. I can hear you through the wire. But the Wichita Lineman is still on the line. I sure could use a small vacation, but it don't look like rain. And if it snows that stretch down south, won't ever take a strain. And I need you more than want you. And I want you for all time. And the Wichita Lineman is still on the line. Sure could use a small vacation, but it don't look like rain. If it snows that stretch down south, won't ever take the fucking strain. So I'm stuck out here on the fucking line doing fucking nothing. Oh my God. I can hear you through the wine. And the Wichita Lineman It's me a killing by you killing me. Filthy excitations of a dream. Girls are gonna love the way I comb my hair. Guys are gonna hate the way I sing. Dale, 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 wahoo! Dale, 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 wahoo! Dale, 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 wahoo! Dale, 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 dale. And I need you more than want you. I'll be the one to always campaign. You be the one along with the 3 in be the one to always complain. 3 in the morning come a bang, bang, bang. All out of drum now, 18. Falling stars. Isn't it? Oh, they've a new one. They've got a new album. Wow, you can get computers to give them to you now. Wow. Excellent. Milk is not available on Wikipedia. Came dancing across the water with their galleons and guns, searching for a new world and a palace in the sun. Stay with me. Ain't you the one I know with a house of mom to take away? And and I need you more than want you. Stay with me. Give of me. Want you the one with a mandala, with a mandala, but take the way. So, to me, 2005, wow. That is a long time, mofos. Wow. 2005. I remember, I think I was 30. It was fucking Dara's 30th, which is November. In Longwood. It's basically all their tracks are Cortez Killer, kind of. Betcha they're brothers. Look, I don't know. They're brothers or cousins, I think, or something like that. They're super proud, always are. Best musicians, always are. Pentecostals. At Mount Juliet High School, I'd say they're just amazing. Nashville. Influences Tin Lizzy, Rolling Stones, The Clash. Why not? I haven't listened to enough Clash really. I'm not cool enough. You know, I'm. They formed a year after I was born. It would be. It's someone else's. Like the Bunch of Rats there. They could have it. Why is the Clash pretty cool though? They look fucking deadly. I mean, but you know, Bono was, Bono's great. The Strokes not so good. The Frames tried to be like that, didn't they? Taper Jean Girl. Youth and Young Manhood. This is the one I liked. The first one. No, it wasn't. It's the second one. Yeah, they probably did that one. What was that one? With the milk in it. Yeah, the white lid, like. It was a great album. King of the Rodeo. Milk. Okay. Gonna cheat here now. Milk lyrics. salty leaf. Salty leaf. Salty leaf. Tell me one other friend you knew and the gas substitute. Salty me. Stay for me. We drank wine at the matinee and the spa. Children chased away. Salty leaf. Tell me the one about the friend you knew and the last good night that we toasted to. Salty leaf. Stay for me. Wine in the matinee and the spotlight go. Not sure what I chased away. She saw my come over, her hourglass body. She had problems drinking milk and being school tardy. She'll loan you her toothbrush, she'll bartend your party.